Going to take a walk, see if we can climb the rock formations, but it looks like it's artificial. And you can see we're down the mountain. Looks like this is the drainage pipe or a water pipe, I don't know. Or it could be a water intake. We'll find out. Looks like a cave. Very dirty. It's quiet here, away from the crowds. Some huge boulders here. Let's see if we can try climbing it. Okay, let's climb. Some rocks. Yes, I'm at the top. And you can see the Nasugbu Resort. And this is like a breakwater, so when it's stormy you won't get like big waves dashing. And I think that pipe there, it looks like it's a drainage pipe, so it just goes in this water here. And let's explore some more before other people will come here. A tree for shade. So we're up here, still walking. We'll try to see if we can get to the edge, to the end of this artificial breakwater. Here at the end, you can see there's the one is the hotel, and these are all the private residences, like a condominium. So you'll have a beachfront. very quiet place. It's getting windy now. Oops. Place. Oh, there's a crab. See a crab there. Other breakwater, so they probably dropped those stones there. Big island. And the whole cove. The island there. And the lake. Okay, it's time to go back. Okay, it's so windy. So time to go back. And that's another episode of Fun or Not. Hope you like this video and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Okay, let's go back.